This is an exciting day because I'm here in the Origin factory in North Carolina. Coming to Origin's honestly been a long time coming. When Origin Hunt first came out, all eyes turned to me to see if I was going to be jumping in on that. But to be honest with you, like a lot of things in life, it's all about timing. And when the puzzle pieces fit naturally, that's when things are meant to work out. Jocko's been one of my closest friends for quite a while. And honestly, when it comes to Origin, I was a consumer to Origin first. So now that I'm coming here, joining the team, I thought it was important for me to wear this piece that I bought as a consumer, got in my mailbox and took out, and I wanted to support a friend. I wanted to support Jocko. I wanted to support a movement that he was passionate about. And I did that with this first hoodie. And now to be standing here, right here in the cutting room where this stuff all begins with opening these doors, bringing in material that was made in the US and rolling out on that cutting right before it heads out to the sewing floor is something that is super hard to explain. And to be a consumer first, be standing in a factory like this and to see the team and the employees and the passion, this is a dream come true for me. This is going to be an amazing, amazing passion project moving forward.
Let's go.